Alright, it's been a little while since I made a video. I've been quite busy, but around the time of my last video, there's some really interesting comments from a lot of viewers in my comment section of earlier videos. Luckily, there's a lot of people who must just be like, "Ugh, this poor idiot. We got to help him out." So I had to kind of go back and go back to the normal Don Smith circuit and try what they were telling me. But I just wanted to share this because I thought it was quite interesting. I actually hooked up things kind of incorrectly, but I still had a lot of output going on. This is actually a 5-watt LED. I wouldn't say it's like fully brightness or anything. But basically what's going on here is I've switched back to the 25-foot L1 with basically just, I think it's probably around 510 picofarad or so on the ground side of the L1. I have my two 50-foot coils. Here I have a resistor on the ground side input into the center tap in parallel with a small capacitor there. And just playing around, like I said, I hooked up things incorrectly, but the light turned on. And what I found so interesting about it is I was tapping off this capacitor, so 1 microfarad capacitor, was tapping off the positive side of the full bridge. I have actually nothing connected to the negative side of the full bridge, so it's basically two diodes coming off of each high side of the L2 coils going into the capacitor. But what I didn't have hooked up correctly was, you can see right here, my little transformer only has one leg tied in, and you can see this cable. So it's now diodes into the capacitor, basically the output side of the capacitor into one leg of the transformer. Transformer is not connected, but it still lights up when there is a ground connection. If I disconnect the ground, you can see it actually dims quite a bit. If I connect the ground, it comes back a little bit more. And then I also found this interesting. If I completely disconnect the capacitor, I still get light. So it looks like this is actually more of a wireless energy transfer than anything else. If I touch the cable here, you can see it makes the light dim a little bit. But I just wanted to share that real quick. My goal right now is to try and figure this system out before my RIC 2 kit from Rich Friedrichs arrives at my house. It's on order from Rich's videos. He said it's going to take, he'll get them shipped out mid-October. So I'm probably hoping that I have another 2 or 3 weeks before it actually arrives at my house, hopefully. So I'm really going back to a lot of Rich Friedrichs videos, looking at the comment section of my viewers, trying to take all that input together to see if I can get this system working. But again, just wanted to share that real quick. Just a note, I am basically hitting this guy on the quarter harmonic. The yellow line there, the peak to peak, is around 18. That is measuring off the light. The pink line there is being measured off the half of the full bridge. And I'm hitting it at a duty cycle of roughly 12.5%. So we're up above a little bit, about a megahertz. Happen to be up around 30 volts right now, so nothing too interesting going on, other than this does really look like wireless energy transfer through a capacitor into the system. Maybe I could hook up a few of these and see what actually happens. So again, just wanted to share that real quick as I hopefully discover more things, more interesting things, as I try to get this done in the next few weeks. I will certainly let everyone know. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.